We've been fighting a virus that comes with fever, sore throat, and cough. I'll show you how to make ginger cough drops. First, gather all the ingredients. Cut the ginger into 1-inch piece. Then peel the ginger and mash it with mortar and pestle. Half of the lemon. Squeeze the lemon and take out the seeds. We need only the juice. Next is honey, about 1 tablespoon of honey. And this is a powdered clove. And water, just 1 cup of water. Sugar, about half cup of sugar. To make this, we need a saucepan. In a saucepan, place the ginger, add the water, measure 1 tablespoon honey, and add to the mixture. Add to the mixture lemon juice without the seeds, cloves, and add half cup sugar. Mix thoroughly until the sugar is dissolved. Once the sugar is dissolved, bring to a boil. After boiling for 20 to 25 minutes, let it cool. Prepare a wax paper. Scoop a spoonful of the mixture and drop to a wax paper. Sprinkle with powdered sugar. Place in an airtight container.